Welcome. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to use the Leadzy book theme. This theme is designed to promote books. If you have a book that you've written and you want to put up a quick page to market your book and yourself, then you can use this theme. It has a parallax effect, and what a parallax effect is where you see the book being still and the text and other side moving. Next, it has a content section, and because there's no content here, this section is blank, but we'll fill that with content. I'm going to show you another website that is completed using this theme. So by default, and this is the author section, you will see the current content that is shown here. And when you replace it with your own content, you'll have your own original site. So let me show you a site that was created using this theme. So here is what it looks like on the back end. This is a site that I used. I thought this theme would be perfect on. Now, although this is not a book website, it's for a dance class, using the same concept, I replaced content on this site with new images. Now let's take a look at how to edit. When you first log in, you will automatically be logged into your dashboard. So the first thing you'll want to do if you're not on the home page is navigate to the home page by clicking your site title and then click on edit page. You can click edit page on any page that you happen to be on. This black bar across the top is called the admin menu. Okay, so for every page on the website, if you click on the admin menu, you will be able to edit that specific page. Now, this first section is where you will change out the hero image with an image of your own. And to do that, if you want to change it out, if there's an image already there, then you will click the X button, and then you'll be able to add a new image. Please pay attention to the image dimensions, 2400 by 1700 for the book theme. If you're on some of the other Leadzy websites, it might be 1900 by 1080, which is TV screen size. And this is so that your website will look great on TV monitors or TV screens. So let's click Add Image. If you don't have an image already in your library, you will click Upload an Image here, and you will select the file from your computer. However, since I already have an image uploaded, I'm going to select the image that's already uploaded. Once I click and make sure the check mark is there, if I don't want it, and let's say I want to add this image instead, this image is selected, then I would just insert the image. When I click Update, notice it shows here in, as my new background image. When I click Update, then I'm going to click View Page, and my new image is added. Now, what's wrong with this picture? I selected the wrong image. My image should be on the left side. So what I want to do instead is click on Edit Page. And I wanted to make that mistake to show you that you have to follow the template in order for your template to look just as nice as the temporary info. So I'm going to select the image that shows the photo on the right, and I'm going to click Update. Now I'm going to click View Page. And there you have it. Now I can read the text as well as to see the image. The next thing I want to do is to edit the section or the content. And to do this, I go back and I click Edit Page. If I want to change that headline text, then I just type new information in this side or in this text field. Be careful to only type as much information as you need. Your headline should be short and to the point, or if you add more text, then you're going to get a page that looks like this. So when you go to mobile, it's going to knock everything out of line. Okay? Now, what we're going to do is go back to Edit Page and just make sure you follow the character rule and not have too many characters in a particular section. And this is the secret to getting a nice looking website and using a template. If you're using a template, you have to follow the template guidelines. This is the subtitle. If you want to change that out, you can type it here. Notice here I entered a tag and I have the text here called strong. And I entered strong inside of left and right angle brackets. And then at the end of the phrase that I wanted to be strong text, I entered strong and I put a forward slash in front of the word strong. And this gives me the bold text step by step. Let's take a look at that real quick. Easy to learn step-by-step instructions. And that's how you edit that piece, or that's how you get strong text inside of one of the text fields. If you're in a regular editor such as this one, you can highlight your text and you can make it bold by clicking the B, because here you have a toolbar and you can even add an image in this section if you like. And you can format the image to where it sits on top or the text floats around it. We're not going to save that, but I just wanted to show it to you. The book purchase buttons, you can edit those and just be careful to follow the instructions there. The book price text color, you can change that text color. By default, it's red. You can change the color here, and then you can add the price for that section if you want a different color. And if you don't have to use that section. It's optional. And here's the third section where you enter your freeform text and images. You can put whatever you want here. Under the author section, you are able to edit the author name. Make sure it's short and brief here, since the fonts are large. And then you can change the title color, the name of your name color or the title color. Here is where you will enter the biography, and you can bold the text and everything like that. This is not a full editor. You can add bullets, numbered bullets. You can left justify, center, or right justify your text, and you can insert a link to your text in this section by typing the URL there. And click apply. And then finally, the author section background image, if you want to change it out, then you select to add a background image. And now basically what we did is just flip-flop those pictures. And now here is where we enter the testimonials. You can enter a photo for the testimonial, 45 pixels by 45 pixels, by clicking add image and uploading it. You can enter the text for the testimonial and the person's name giving the testimonial. And this is how you would edit that section. You have 6 places to add 6 testimonials. Once you've made all of your changes, always click Update, and then you can view your page. And this is pretty much how all of the Leadzy templates work. They may be slightly different from theme to theme, but for the most part, they all work the same or similarly. Thank you for watching.